Why was that so fast? Easiest cutter ever. Welcome back to Print Lab Basics, the series where we give you expert insight into the best beginner-friendly solutions for every type of custom printing. Over the past few episodes, we've explored DTF, DTG, dye sub, and more. But there's one tried and true method that continues to stand strong year after year: vinyl. Now, whether you're customizing t-shirts, signage, or promotional items, vinyl's where so many creators get their start. It's affordable, versatile, and easy to master. But like anything in production, your results depend on your equipment. And today, we're putting one of the most user-friendly vinyl cutters on the market to the test, Siser Romeo. Now, this episode's a little different because we're actually teaming up with the pros at Caesar to show you just how simple it is to get up and running with this machine, straight from the source. Let's start with the basics. Even with modern print tech, vinyl holds its ground because it's simple, it's clean, and it's reliable. There's no ink, there's no print heads, there's no maintenance, just cut, weed, and press. It's the perfect entry point for beginners because it teaches fundamentals like layering, placement, color coordination, and it's unbeatable for quick personalization. Team names, event shirts, small runs, or last-minute orders that just don't make sense to print in bulk. Vinyl remains one of the fastest and most approachable ways to start customizing apparel and accessories. Now, not all vinyl cutters are created equal. A lot of them are big, noisier, just packed with complicated menus that slow us down. The Siser Romeo flips that completely. It's compact, quiet, and built with beginners in mind, but also powerful enough for experienced shops too. Now here's what I love the most: preloaded settings for every Caesar vinyl. No trial and error, just pick your material and cut. Intuitive software. It's clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Mac compatibility, huge plus. Most cutters run only on Windows, but Romeo's Leonardo software works flawlessly on Mac. And yes, it's whisper quiet. You can run it in a small workspace or even from home without all the usual cutter noise. It's that combination of simplicity, speed, and accessibility that really make this one stand out. To dive in even deeper, let's go check in with Mr. Caesar North America himself. Come on. Got a question for our audience, man.
Let's do it.
What about the Romeo cutter makes it so great for beginners?
Listen, let's talk about the versatility first of all. Not only do you have an onboard screen that you can connect to, a push button, does everything for you. You have a Wi-Fi module. No more Bluetooth. We're done with Bluetooth, guys. The problem is that you're losing connection constantly. Let's network these things. Let's name a bunch of them, and then you can cut to multiple machines. The other really big benefit of this is our cutter actually cuts from the back to the front, not the front to the back like your traditional craft cutters. What that allows you to do is catch those mistakes early, and we know wasted material is wasted money and wasted time, right? One of the other big benefits too is that on the screen itself, on every home screen, has a little play button. So what you can do is you can actually cut a full job, and then once you get into the next roll of material, you can start that job again. So mass producing without losing the amount of material that you're actually using in between each cut. When we built this machine, one of our big goals in building the Romeo as well as the Juliet high definition cutter was efficiency. We need to speed up the production. It allows you to increase your production time. It allows you to not have to sit and wait for that machine to be done, because we know some of these craft cutters take forever, but it just allows you to do something within a budget, because the Romeo itself is under $1,000. And I think actually under 900. Let me take that back, under 800. It's $700 retail. So not only are you getting all of the commercial precision that you know and love from all the other industry, but you're also getting it for a great price point. So not only are we hitting you with value and saving you time and money and material, but you're also saving money right out of the box.
All right, Pat, you got time for a quick demo? We can show our audience just how the Romeo works?
Listen, for you guys, I always got time.
Guys,
Yep.
even with that thicker brick material, the cut lines, the Romeo came through on here, clean, sharp, crisp. Then the 3D dimensionality, this is stuff you can really only get with Caesar brick.
Absolutely. Even with the thickness, that soft rubbery coating makes it really, really soft to the hand as well.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna end it right there. That's gonna wrap up our look at beginner-friendly vinyl with the Caesar Romeo, a machine that truly embodies creativity and simplicity.
If you're ready to explore the power of heat transfer materials, get yourself a Romeo today.
Guys, make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our other awesome beginner-friendly content. We got a lot more in store. And if you have any questions, any tips, any tricks, or your favorite vinyl products, let us hear in the comment section down below. And Patrick, if they want to get more information on your services, your products, your equipment, your materials, where can they learn more about Caesar North America?
Well, listen, we make it really, really simple for you. You just follow us at Caesar North America on all platforms. That's SISER, North America, everywhere today.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Estelle, and we're All American Print Supply. See you on the next one.
See ya.